For many people, the idea of eating healthy evokes images of overflowing organic produce sections and gourmet grocery stores. But the reality is, nourishing your body with nutritious meals doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, with a little planning and creativity, you can easily maintain a healthy diet even on a tight budget. This guide dives deep into 5 powerful strategies to help you achieve just that. We'll explore practical tips, budget-friendly recipes, and essential knowledge to empower you to make informed choices about your food without sacrificing your health or your wallet. Strategy 1. Embrace the power of planning. Winging it when it comes to meals is a recipe for disaster, especially on a budget. Here's where planning shines. Craft a weekly meal plan. Dedicate some time each week to plan your meals. This helps you stay focused, avoid impulse buys at the grocery store, and ensures you have everything you need to prepare healthy meals throughout the week. Utilize online resources, cookbooks, and even meal planning apps to streamline the process. Create a grocery list. Once your meal plan is in place, create a detailed grocery list. Stick to the list religiously to avoid unnecessary purchases and overspending. Prioritize buying only what you need for the planned meals. Take inventory before you shop. Before heading to the store, check your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. This helps you avoid buying duplicate ingredients and ensures you utilize what you already have on hand. Strategy 2. Befriend seasonal produce. Seasonal produce boasts several advantages. Cost effectiveness. Fruits and vegetables are generally more affordable when they're in season. Farmers markets and local grocery stores often offer the best deals on seasonal produce. Peak flavor. Produce harvested at its peak delivers the best flavor and nutritional value. Seasonal options are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Variety and exploration. Embrace the changing seasons and experiment with different fruits and vegetables as they become available. This keeps your meals interesting and allows you to discover new favorites. Tips for maximizing seasonal produce. Learn about seasonal availability. Research which fruits and vegetables are in season in your region. Numerous online resources and apps can help you navigate seasonal produce. Buy in bulk, when practical. If you have the storage space, consider buying certain seasonal items in bulk for additional savings. However, only do so for items with a long shelf life or that you plan to utilize quickly. Freezing can be a great option for some fruits and vegetables. Get creative with leftovers. Learn how to repurpose leftover seasonal produce into new dishes. This reduces food waste and stretches your budget further. Strategy 3. Unleash the power of beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are budget-friendly superstars. Here's why they deserve a prominent place in your healthy diet: nutritional powerhouse. Packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, beans and lentils are a complete protein source when combined with grains. They provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full for longer. Versatility unbound. Beans and lentils can be used in countless ways. From soups and stews to salads and burgers, the possibilities are endless. Explore different recipes to keep your meals exciting. Affordability champion. Beans and lentils are some of the most affordable protein sources available. They can be a fantastic substitute for more expensive meats in your meals. Tips for incorporating beans and lentils. Stock up on dry varieties. Dry beans and lentils are far more cost-effective than canned options. Though they require soaking and cooking time, they offer the most significant savings. Explore different types. Experiment with a variety of beans and lentils, each offering unique flavors and textures. Black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, garbanzo beans, and lentils are all excellent choices. Cook in large batches. Cook a large batch of beans or lentils at the beginning of the week. You can then easily incorporate them into various meals throughout the week, saving time and minimizing prep work. Strategy 4. Don't be afraid of store brands. Many grocery stores offer their own private label brands alongside national brands. Here's why store brands can be your budget-friendly allies. Quality without the price tag. Store brand products often meet the same quality standards as national brands but come at a significantly lower price. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your favorites. Hidden gems. Some store brands offer hidden gems that are comparable or even superior to national brands in terms of taste and quality. Take the time to compare options and find the best value for your budget. Greater variety. Store brands often offer a wider variety of products than national brands, allowing you to find the specific ingredients you need at a lower cost. Supporting local businesses. Choosing store brands that are sourced from local producers can support your local economy and promote sustainable practices. Strategy 5. Master the art of leftovers. Leftovers often get a bad rap, but they can be your secret weapon for a healthy and budget-friendly diet. Here's why. Reduced food waste. Leftovers help you utilize all the food you purchase, minimizing waste and maximizing your budget. Second life for ingredients. Transform leftovers into entirely new dishes. Leftover chicken can be transformed into a delicious chicken salad sandwich or a stir-fry. Get creative and explore new possibilities. Meal prep magic. Cook a large batch of food on the weekend and portion it out for meals throughout the week. This reduces cooking time during busy weekdays and ensures you have healthy meals readily available. Remember, eating healthy on a budget is all about planning, resourcefulness, and creativity. By embracing these strategies, you can nourish your body with delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Start incorporating these tips into your routine, and you'll be surprised at how easy and rewarding it can be to maintain a healthy diet while staying within your budget.